kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. What letter do you see on your screen? Exactly! That is letter Y. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter Y. In this lesson, you will recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter Y. Are you ready? Y is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter Y. How to write the uppercase letter Y? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter Y. Start at the blue headline. Slant right to the red midline. Lift. Move to the right and start at the blue headline. Slant left to the blue midline. Pull down straight to the red baseline. This is a lowercase letter Y. How to write the lowercase letter Y? Use two strokes to write the lowercase letter Y. Start at the red midline. Slant right to the blue baseline. Lift. Move to the right and start at the red midline. Slant left through the blue baseline to the next blue guideline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter Y. Y is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter Y sounds as yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yep, 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 yep. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yep, 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 yep.
Read the consonant vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Ya, ya, yak. Ya, ye, yell. Ya, yo, yoga. Ya, ya, yummy. Ya, ye, yi, yo, ya. Ye, ya, yi, ya, yo. Yi, yo, ye, ya, ya. Yo, ya, yi, ye, ya. Now it's your turn. Well done. Yacht. Yak. Yum. Yard. Yarn. Yawn. Yell. Yellow. Yoga. Yogurt. Yolk. Yo-yo. Yummy. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter Y. Yacht. Yuck. Yum. Yard. Yarn. Yawn. Yell. Yellow. Yoga. Yogurt. Yolk. Yo-yo. Yummy. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is yeah, yell. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is ya, yacht. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is yo, yogurt. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is ya, yak. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is ya, yummy. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter Y. Ya. These are the words beginning with the sound of the letter Y. Yoga. Yarn. Yellow. Yum. Yo-yo. Now, practice writing the letter Y on your notebook. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.